Hey guys, welcome to our room. This is room 226, 226 balcony room here on the Celebration. Come in here, we'll take a tour of the room and show you what this, one of the newest Carnival ships, has to offer. When you come in, you do have this neat little mat. This is where you can put your suitcase on to keep it from getting your bed all filthy. So after your suitcase has been rolled around all over the place, you know, on the street and everywhere else, of course you don't want it on your bed. So they provide you with these mats that you can lay it on while you're doing your unpacking. So of course you have your sleeping area here. This is a queen bed. And then here, this is a pull down bed, or a Pullman bed as they call them. Also, you have the sofa bed here that pulls out into a bed. So you could sleep 4 people in this room if you wanted to. If you have 4 people but you don't want to share a bed, these 2 beds can separate. So this is just 2 twin beds that are pushed together to make a queen bed. So let's look at the amenities here. We do have a reading lights that's over here on the side that you can focus in, as well as a USB port. Now this is also on both sides of the bed. So you have a USB over there as well as a reading light. And of course you have your light controls in here if you want to turn lights on and off without having to get out of bed to go do that. So as I mentioned, this is one of Carnival's newer ships. This is the Celebration that was actually built in 2022. So they have updated a lot of the outlets and stuff that are on here. So as you can see here, this comes with USB adapters. So you have actually 4 of them here on each side, and as well as 3 regular plugs. Over here you have your phone, you have some bottle of water, and this just comes in the room. If you want to buy this, it's really not that bad of a deal. When we look at it, we first think it is, it's $4.50 for this, but when you get 50.72 ounces of water, and you think a 12 ounce downstairs is about $1.50 to up to $5, depending on what you get and where it's at, then this may not be that big a deal if you want to just buy this in your room. All right, so this is our mini fridge. As you can see, it has some monsters in here that we did bring with us. You can bring cans on board like this as long as they're sealed. Now, Carnival did have some rules that we saw that said that you can't bring plastic bottles. So unfortunately, you're not allowed to bring like bottled water and other plastic containers, plastic soda, but you can bring canned soda on board with you, up to 12. And this is normally not here. Bottle of champagne and some, that's cute, look at that. And some chocolate covered strawberries. Carnival gave these to us as our status as travel agents for sailing with them. So we do want to say thank you, Carnival, for the gifts. These are really nice, and our daughter's already eaten one and absolutely loved it. Okay, so let's take a look at the bathroom and see what it looks like. So of course, this is your standard bathroom. Actually, this one might feel a little bit bigger. I don't know, maybe a little bit. But the doors open a little differently here. They kind of fold in on themselves instead of opening up. But they do have some shampoo and some shower gel here that's complimentary, as well as your shower. It looks like a wand. It can come out. It's not bad. And I'm looking for some plugs and stuff in here. And it looks like there are some that's covered up here, just your standard bathroom style plugs. And it comes with your normal amenities, your hand soaps, and your toiletries with your towels, but nothing special in the bathrooms. While we're out here, let's look at the storage units, or the storage areas. This is a closet. It's pretty good size. It has hangers and a bunch of different shelf options. It's got some pull-out baskets. That's pretty neat, along with your safe. And then over here, I've already got some stuff in here, but this is closet space, you know, some more to hang some clothes. You've got some more shelves here you can put some stuff on. So overall, I would say that there's plenty of storage here. So let's go out here and take a look at the balcony now. This one slides open really easy compared to some of the cruise lines we've been on, and it does look like a larger balcony, so let's take a look at it. We do have a nice view out here. The chairs look nice. This is kind of that mesh style seating, so the furniture is updated a little bit. Nice balcony area. Good view. And it's a good sized balcony. I think you could actually fit another chair out here. So if you wanted to scoot these over, and there's a stool in there, I'll show it to you in a second, you might be able to bring that out here, at least fit 3 people out here on the balcony at one time if you just want to enjoy an evening together. So here on the balcony, as you can see, there is a ceiling above it. So I do like these. Some people are a little apprehensive against them, or really don't want the ceilings, but we experienced this one time when it was pouring down rain. We were able to sit out here and enjoy the balcony while it was raining, while others that didn't have the cover, it was drenched. So also here, this is the balcony rail, and this is your view from it going down. So if you can look over here to the left, I'll show you to the right in just a second. You can see pretty good, and you can see the view. So actually you do have a good view of the water line. This is the view right now before we leave Miami. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're ready to book your next trip, be sure to reach out to your favorite local travel advisor. Don't have one? Reach out to us. We'd be glad to help you. If you haven't already, make sure that you also hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next adventure.